Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to restore the cosmetic of this JBL Pulse first generation Bluetooth speaker. Let me show you a close look of the speaker. You can see the rust all over the metal grill and you can see the oxidized rubber parts as well. Now I am going to start restoring the cosmetic look of this speaker. Before that, please subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit the notification bell icon. Now let's start dismantling the speaker. This is the dummy speaker, in the sense this is not working, it is completely broken. There should be strips here all around. From this side it will go to these light strips. This is completely broken speaker. I am just showing you how to restore the cosmetic look of this speaker. So same thing you can follow for your working speaker. Now I am going to restore this grill, these two plastic parts and this backside rubber and these two pieces. Let's start. Now we have to remove this grill from this plastic part. To remove that, I am going to use these tweezers and remove this clip here. Now let's clean this grill using sandpaper. You can see here so much of rust. I will clean this with sandpaper and then I will paint it with aerosol spray, 2 coats of black color, and also I will wash this with shampoo and water. Before painting this grill, I am going to sand it using this 800 grit sandpaper. I have applied water here in this sandpaper. Now there are some small dust particles sitting in the small holes. I will remove this using toothbrush. After sanding and cleaning, now I am going to apply first layer of the paint. I am going to use this Bosni black color number 39. Shake well before use. Now I am going to apply first thin layer of paint. You have to apply 1 to 3 layers, thin layers of paint. I have applied first coat. Now 3 minutes is over. It's time for second coat. Thin layer. I have applied 3 coats in an interval of 3 to 5 minutes. So it looks like this. Now I am going to apply the lacquer flat clear, which is matte finish. Shake well before use. I am going to apply for only one layer. This is a protective layer. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I am going to clean this part of the speaker. I will clear up all this. To clean this part, I have to apply Zoric and isopropyl alcohol together. Then this moisture will go. Now IP. After applying, we have to scrub it like this using finger for 2-3 minutes, right all over the place. See, already that sticky thing is coming out. I'll apply a little bit of IP more. Now I have cleaned these 2 rubber parts. Now it's time to clean these parts. Same thing, isopropyl alcohol and Zoric. Scrub it, then clean it with a clean cloth. You can see it looks as good as new. Now I have cleaned both of these pieces. You can see. So it's time to reassemble the speaker. Now it's time to clean this grill. I'm using the brush and the marks of rust here. Now I am going to wash it using shampoo and water. Then I will make it dry and I will come back here. I have washed this part. Now I have applied isopropyl alcohol and Zoric in this rubber part. So I am going to scrub it again and clean it with the clean cloth. Now you can see the rubber part. Alright, now it's time to reassemble the speaker. Done. Now you can see the grill. It looks as good as new, right? Now I am going to put this grill back here. In the working part, working speaker, there will be one strip here. You have to connect that strip to this top part. Now there is a tiny rubber here that should go in this small hole. Now I am done with assembling. Just see the speaker in close up. Done. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360. Thanks for watching. Bye.